Hi friends, this video we are going to learn how to find largest and smallest numbers in a list through Python function. So here I am using input list. So I am started with a function using depth keyword. So find underscore length, this is my function name. My input is list. This is the list one. This is the input I have. Sorry. So here you can see I'm adding my input as list one. So here my function name is find length. Usually in real time the function name should be with underscore instead of the long names. We should use find. This is the coding standards in Python. Here I'm using the variable length. So this length is len variable. I'm using len of list one. First I'm getting the length of the entire list which I have in list one. Number is 12. So usually the list functions will be right through these two brackets, square brackets. So inside that I have many numbers. First I'm getting the length of list one. Once I get the list, then I will sorting out the list one. So once I sorted out, my list will come as a lower value to upper value. So here I'm printing my largest element is list one of length minus one. So I'm taking list one. Inside the list one I'm using length minus one, which means whichever is longer or else upper values. And the second thing is I'm taking very smallest. It will come as the first length. For example, if I sort out this list, I will get 2 as a smallest. 2 it will come. So when I sorted out the list, the sorted list is should be like 2 comma 4 comma 6 comma 8 comma 10 comma 12 comma 31 comma 98 comma 99. So this is the sorted list. Once the sorted list comes, the length minus 1 I can directly take largest element. In my list, whichever it is 0th position, I am taking as a smallest element. Whichever it's having first position, I am taking second smallest. 4 is a second smallest. So whichever is it is in length minus 2, which is my the length is, if it is 99, the length minus 1 will take as a first position and length minus 2 will come at a second position. Just I'm running on it. Actually previously I used 45 instead of 99. Instead of 98 I used 41. So that's what I'm getting. The largest element is 45, smallest element is 2, and the second largest is 41, and second smallest is 4. So this is the way we can run through the list and we can get through largest and smallest numbers. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching this.